We will discuss 10 best education AI tool, and the first one is Gradescope. The Gradescope AI tool enables a student to access each other while providing feedback, which are often time-consuming tasks without AI technology. Gradescope relies on a combination of machine learning and AI to make it easier to grade, which saves time and energy. By outsourcing these tasks, teachers can focus on the more important ones. Gradescope can be used by the teacher to grade paper-based exam and online homework, as well as to prepare projects all in one place. And its feature is a student-specific time extensions, AI-assisted grading. The second one is Fetchy. Made by an educator, Fetchy was crafted by a teacher who understands the need of paper, and AI is not average, it's especially schooled in all aspects of teaching. And this feature is concept overview. In this concept, students will explore how ancient civilization developed and analyze their contribution to the current state of the world. Introduction to ancient civilization start by introducing students to the concept of ancient civilization and their significance in human history. And this feature is also a very helpful feature for students. And generation lesson plans view history from multiple lenses. The third one is Dragon speech recognition. Dragon offers many more features, including an ability to dedicate lessons plans, syllabus, worksheet, reading lists, and more at a pace 3 times faster than typing. And the next is Ivy Chatbot. Ivy Chatbot is a multifunctional chatbot AI tools that were specifically designed for universities and colleges. And as you seen on a screen, a lot of features of it: Ivy Quantum Chatbot, AI Web Crawler, no code flow builder, brain scanner, platforms, unified text communication, integration, analytics, enterprises, voice and telephony. And its feature is live chat and SMS, integration for Facebook, ERP, CRM and SIS, become smarter over time through interaction with users. The next one is Cognil. Cognil is another Boston-based company that develops AI-based products for K-12 and higher education institutions. It is also deployed in corporate training environment. One of Cognil's main AI tool is its virtual learning assistant, which relies on conversational technology to help students from open format responses and improve critical thinking skills. And the main feature of it helps students from open responses, provides one-on-one tutoring, adaptive personalization for each students. The next tool is Nosy. Another one of the top AI education tool on the market is Nosy. Nosy is a new approach to learn. Nosy vocabulary apps combine significantly proven methodologies for entertaining content to create a thoroughly engaging and effective learning platform. Using a built-in memory coach, Nosy ensures that each word you learn is maintained and stored in your long-term memory. The goal of Nosy is to help you to learn fast and everything. The next one is its feature is common core alignment, multiple learning modes, customizable and adaptable images and example sentences. The main feature of Nosy education AI tools. The next one is Plato. Take a picture or a screenshot of your homework, upload to get live AI tutoring with Plato. Combining the best of AI and language science, lessons are tailored to help students with personalized learning at just the right level and pace. The next feature is chat to Plateau just like your other friends and learn along the way. It speaks for languages and is ready to learn more. This course helps a student learn faster and remember things better using learning outcome driving assignments. They make it easy to form a habit of language learning. With game-like features, fun challenges, and reminders from Plateau, the AI robot. Next one is Querum. Personalized bite-sized lesson, step-by-step tutoring assistance, increase student engagement. Next one is Century Tech, and it's a large scale of features you see on a screen. Its feature is personalized bite-sized lessons, step-by-step tutoring assistance, increase student engagement, accelerate learning and improve student engagement, reduces workload for teachers, actionable data. Next one is Carnage Learning Platform. Mimics human tutors, one-on-one personalized learning experience for each